You are highly welcome to another vlog. Lovelies, we are going to unbox this beautiful packet storage I've got here. From there, we go to the kitchen to make some yummylicious meal for dinner. And then through the process, we also unbox another product. So please give video thumbs up, like for us, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you. This is basket storage I got from TikTok. You can follow me over there, also Facebook, Instagram. Yes, Beth's Globe. Anyways, so yeah, this is so cute. I love it. I love the way it closes itself. Yeah, done. Super adorable. This is a must have. Time to make dinner. We are going to cook eggplant stew or sauce with boiled yam. So yeah, keep watching. Can you have it? I got this cute cast iron cookware from Aldi. Yes, so far I think I've got 3 of them and I so love it. I've used the 2 already. These cookwares are part of my birthday wish list and thank God I've been able to purchase them. So yeah. This is our protein we're going to use. Go for our spices. say? What do you say, darling? You're welcome. Yeah.
And then, out.
I'm going to add the eggplant is cooking. As you can see, it's doing so well. It's cooking. I added to the base. I didn't want to cook, separately and then add to it. That's how I've been doing all the time. But this time around, I added straight to the base. So yeah, after I'll add some of the cabbage to it, and then yeah, I add the rest of the ingredients I'll put in, and we are done. Please don't do this if you don't know how to. You can't find my cutter, so I'm using the under the bowl. So yeah. So this is our cabbage soup in water with vinegar and salt. I'm going to drain the water and add some of it to the stew. We're going to add our protein. We are going to enjoy this eggplant cabbage stew or sauce with yam. Unfortunate, I haven't got egg. Oh my goodness. Ghanaian cooking yam without egg. Can you imagine? Cooking without my egg. Oh my days. Anyways, yeah, we're almost through. So this is the outcome of the yam. Imagine that black thing. Anyway, so delicious. May God protect it, sanctify it with his blood for us. You are all invited. Let's enjoy, okay? I'm done. So full. Thank God. They are having theirs with pasta. Imagine. We all have. Just use your fork and eat and go your way. Boy.
Yeah, mommy's.
You seem to, folks. How far now? Hey, this girl. Imagine. 2 folks. Anyways. Jadi jadi also mensan.